In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "this site has been reported as unsafe" issue in Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 and 11. Let's face it, encountering this warning while trying to access a website can be pretty frustrating. However, it's crucial to ensure that your online experience remains safe and secure. So, before we dive into bypassing the warning, there are a few important preliminaries to cover. First and foremost, it's essential to verify whether the warning is legitimate. This is a critical step because the warnings are put in place to protect you from sites that could potentially be harmful. To do this, head over to the Google Transparency Report by visiting transparency-report.google.com/safe-browsing/search. Once there, you'll want to enter the URL of the site you're trying to access. Google's Safe Browsing site will give you a report on whether the site is flagged for issues such as malware, phishing, or deceptive content. If the site is indeed found to be unsafe, it's best not to proceed, as the warning is there for your protection. But if the site checks out and you still see that nagging warning in Microsoft Edge, then it's time to look at your browser settings. Now let's move on to fixing the issue in Microsoft Edge. Begin by launching the Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows device. Once open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the three-dot menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and select Settings from that list. You'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the settings page. Here, scroll down to find the option labelled Reset Settings. By clicking on this, you'll open up additional options, including Restore Settings to their default values. Click on it. This will prompt a confirmation window where you should select Reset. Doing this will revert all settings to their default states, which often resolves issues like the "this site has been reported as unsafe" warning. Resetting your settings can solve many browser-related issues, but keep in mind that it will remove custom settings, themes, and extensions. So remember to back up anything you might want to restore later. Once you've reset your settings, try revisiting the website that had the issue to check if the problem has been resolved. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Stay safe online and see you in the next video.